I'm going to help you get yourself registered on Quickonnect.ai. Here you are on a landing page where you can see with a tab, find an expert. Here you have top mentor segment, and then there's a learning area. So we have defined the 6 learning areas for our mentees, or you can say our users. And below we have the quick links. You can navigate these quick links and check our offerings and the descriptions. So let's get yourself registered here. So you see login and get started. So I'm going to hit login here. Now you'll be redirected to this page where they'll ask you to enter your mobile number or email ID. So I've plugged in my email ID right here, and then there's a password, right? If you are a first time user here, so you'll have 4 steps to enter your full name, your email ID, enter password, re-enter, and sign up, right? So since I'm using it again, so this is how it looks like for me, right? So I'm going to hit sign in. So I can see the 4 tabs right on my left, which is like home tab, explore, profile, bookings, right? Let me tell you, these 4 tabs is general for everyone. This is common for mentor and mentee, right? Because we believe all mentors can be mentee as well, right? You hit in home here. This is a common dashboard for everyone. So the session you have attended, time spent, right? Mentor and category, profile. So if I click in here, I want you all to plug in your general profile, right? So, I mean, again, as I said, this is common for mentor and mentee because we want everyone to have their profile here. So your full name, email ID, the contact number, and the bio. This shouldn't take more than 1 minute of your time, right? And we want your nice picture as well so that people can see you and connect with you instantly. Here we will love to have your social media accounts. You can plug in LinkedIn. If you're on Twitter, amazing, plug in right here. Instagram and YouTube. So again, collectively, this shouldn't take more than a minute to 2 of your time, right? Again, hit save in both the cases, and this will create your profile on Quickonnect.ai, right? Once you hit up save, you are all in, right? So this is bookings. Again, this is for mentees, for our users to see that if they have booked any sessions or if they have any upcoming sessions. Now, again, past sessions, once you are done with the session, you can see all your sessions completed right here. Now, this is especially for our mentors. Once you click on this tab, you have all these beautiful links opening right in front of you. So you see your dashboard. I mean, in this dashboard, you can see your upcoming sessions, right? I mean, any sessions that you have pending or you are about to be conducting that. So you can see all of them right here, right? I have all these nice numbers right in front of me that is giving me a sense of idea that how many sessions did I do, how many services I have offered, and so on and so forth, right? Again, these are sessions. I mean, all my upcoming sessions will be seen here. Now, this is the most important part, guys, because this is a financial part, right? Once I click in right here, I mean, you see they're asking to get add information and open dashboard. Now, this is private, so I will not be opening right here. So if I click in add information, I'll be redirected to Stripe page, right? Where they will be asking me my basic details like, I mean, my name again, which country I am in, and all the basic fundamental information like my bank account, in which bank I want my money to be, directed, and so on and so forth. There's one particular section I want to talk about. They'll ask you about your website. So I understand that all my mentors might not have their own website. So do not hesitate plugging in Quick Connect website. You can plug in www.quickconnect.ai. If you have your own website, amazing. If not, do not hesitate to plug in our website right there, right? And move with other information and hit submit. They'll basically redirect you to this page again. You see another button here that's open dashboard. If you click in right here, you can see your earnings. You can see all the money that you have made until now and when and where this will be. I mean, how this will be redirected to your bank. So this is taken care by Stripe. So this is private for everyone, right? Now, if I see services, right? Now, this is interesting part because, I mean, here you'll be plugging your expertise. So I've created here for the product management. I'm going to delete it and I'm going to show you how to create services for your mentees. So I'm going to add new services here, right? So once I click in here, I can put, let's say, my expertise as data science, design, product management. So let's say I'm going to plug in data science, right? Now, I'm going to see my categories. So for now, we have plugged in 6 categories. I want to help people in career advancement. So I'm going to plug in career advancement and I'm going to charge my fees. Let's say $50 for half an hour. And a bit of description about my services, that how I can help them, right? So this is my description and I'm going to select my slot. Let's say 30-minute slot. And let's say if I'm free 7:30 p.m. to 8 p.m. I mean, this is your local time zone. I'm going to click in right here and I'm going to select Wednesday. So every Wednesday I'm available in this time. So this is Friday and I'm going to hit like Saturday. So these 3 days I'm available in this time. So I'm going to create my services. And you see here, this is a nice pop-up, right? So what does this mean? This means that, I mean, again, let me show you the calendar here. So this calendar means that all the sessions that you will be booking will be reflecting right here so that it pops in as a reminder for you. Now, coming back to the services. Here you see that this means that all your mentees can see that you are available in Wednesday, Friday and Saturday between 7:30 and they can book slot with you. Remember, I said first 5 is common for all, right? So since you have created your profile, you've added bank account and you're all in here, people will be able to see you in explore section, right? You see here, they have 4 mentors. So this is how your profile will look like. I mean, I'm going to click on one of our mentors. So once I click in right here, I can see that she has offered operational process excellence. So this is how your offering is going to be seen to any of your mentees or users. Now they can go here and book session with you and pay your respective fees, right? So this is how you can register yourself as a mentor on our platform. This is super simple and should not take more than 5 minutes of your time.